Tibo the Toucan flies so high, swinging through the lush blue sky. Arms of legs dance around, joyful laughs, we glad that we found.
Hello, curious explorers! Today, we're going on an adventure to discover how we can make big jobs feel small, all thanks to amazing tools called simple machines. These clever helpers, like levers and pulleys, make our lives much easier every single day. Have you ever wondered how people lift super heavy things, like big rocks or even a car, without using a lot of muscle? It's like magic, but it's actually science. It's time to zoom through time and space with my ChronoFeathers. Let's go discover the secrets of simple machines. Whoosh! We've arrived! Look around! We're in a place where simple machines are hard at work, making big tasks manageable. Wow, look at that! This is a lever, one of the simplest machines. A lever is a long, strong bar that rests on a pivot point called a fulcrum, and it helps us lift or move heavy objects with less effort, like a seesaw helps you lift your friend. And over here, we see a pulley. A pulley is a wheel with a groove, and a rope or chain runs over it. When you pull on one side of the rope, the pulley helps you lift things up, like pulling a bucket of water from a well. Time for a quick quiz. Which of these is a simple machine that helps you lift heavy things by pulling a rope over a wheel? Is it A, a seesaw, B, a pulley, C, a ramp, or D, a screw? It's Tibo challenge time! Can you find a simple machine, like a lever or a pulley, in your own home or neighborhood? Maybe it's a bottle opener, a pair of scissors, or even a flagpole. Ask your grown-ups for help, then tell us what you found in the comments below. Oh no, I almost forgot. Simple machines don't just make work easier, they can also change the direction of force, which is super cool, like pulling down on a rope to lift something up. Levers and pulleys, oh what a team! Making work easy, a wonderful dream. Push or pull, up or down, best machines in every town. Wasn't that an amazing journey into the world of simple machines? Now you know how levers and pulleys help us every day. Don't forget to join back soon for a new episode and another exciting adventure with me, Tibo. And that's a wrap from me, Tibo the Toucan. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and flap back soon for more awesome adventures. Bye-bye! Woohoo!